Hey YouTube, it's Alan Zagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about the death of the SSL VPN. So, as you may or may not know, SSL VPNs, or Secure Socket Layer Virtual Private Networking Portals, was a way to give your corporate users, or for that matter anybody that needed to connect up to a corporate network, secure remote access. And the best policies are you enforce multi-factor authentication. And it basically was a way to allow remote users, to securely connect to your network. However, things are changing, and what we're seeing is hackers now are going after these SSL VPNs and just trying, scripted attacks, trying, cross-site scripting, SQL injection, malware injection, you name it. And so really the takeaway here is that those probably have had their useful life, or past their useful life now. So we're now recommending that you use Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE, S-A-S-E, with Zero Trust Networking instead of an SSL VPN. One of the advantages of a SASE application is typically it requires a certificate on the remote computer to even access the portal. So because the hackers don't have that SSL certificate, then they're not going after these SASE products, because why do that when you have a lower hanging fruit of an SSL VPN going around? So we are now recommending that you get off of your SSL VPNs, and for that matter, close all your inbound traffic anywhere, and go through some type of SASE or Secure Edge or ZTN, Zero Trust Networking, going forward. So that's our tip of the day. If you need some help implementing and replacing your existing SSL VPN because it's getting hit too hard, let us know. I'll put the email here. You can send an email to info@adscon.com. We'd love to help you out. That's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Secure your remote access servers that are public facing to the internet. And stay safe out there. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.